Construction projects run on decisions, and decisions are only as good as the information behind them. Today, most of that information arrives too late, too fragmented, and too dependent on individual reporting. AVUS Platform changes that. It turns the construction site into a reliable, measurable source of commercial and operational truth. Captured by drone, documented by smartphone, processed in the cloud, and made actionable through computer vision. The result? Better decisions earlier. Faster intervention, always based on facts. The problem is not a lack of data. The problem is a lack of usable control. On most sites, deviations in quantities, progress, or site conditions are recognized too late. When corrective action costs more, commercial positions are weaker, and escalation is already unavoidable. Rework quietly erodes project margins. Commercial disputes escalate when documentation falls short, and project managers lose significant time every week to manual status reporting, time that does not move the project forward. For leadership, this is ultimately a question of risk-adjusted performance. Every deviation recognized too late is a risk that has already materialized, in cost, in schedule, or in client confidence. In a market defined by rising delivery pressure, constrained resources, and persistent margin pressure, this is no longer sustainable. Capture site reality consistently. Convert it into measurable digital evidence. Make it accessible across functions. Drone-based capture and photogrammetry deliver an objective, repeatable view of actual site conditions, without depending on individual judgment or manual updates. Looking ahead, AVUS Computer Vision takes this further. Automated recognition and change analysis will reduce manual interpretation effort and surface management-relevant signals faster than any traditional reporting cycle can, creating, over time, the scalable foundation for AI-supported exception management. A future where leadership teams no longer manage by information overload, but by signal. Earthwork and surface measurement, cut and fill analysis, quantity confirmation. AVUS replaces estimation and retrospective correction with a timely, objective evidence base. Where quantities directly drive billing and subcontractor settlement, AVUS replaces estimation and retrospective correction with a timely, objective evidence base. Reducing quantity reconciliation time and closing billing gaps before they become disputes. As-built verification and recurring progress monitoring enable earlier deviation detection. Teams using AVUS report a significant reduction in rework-related costs. Time-stamped, geo-referenced site documentation provides a defensible position in disputes. On road construction, bridge projects, rail infrastructure, and civil engineering works, claims supported by AVUS documentation were resolved faster and at lower cost. Leadership teams receive reporting linked to measurable site evidence, not narrative summaries. Decision cycles that previously required approximately 2 days a month of data consolidation are now resolved in real time. The technology is ready. The data is already available through the AVUS platform. The foundation for greater transparency, faster decisions, and stronger commercial control is in place. The question is no longer whether this can be done. The question is, when will the organization turn that capability into a competitive advantage?